Namaskar friends and welcome back to our channel. And here we are with another video on a very important topic that is related to electrical fires. And in this particular video we'll see what are electrical fires, what are the causes of electrical fires, and we'll see how to mitigate them. And with that, we'll see some of the practical examples or practical pictures at site which can cause electrical fires. So keep watching. Now, before going to electrical fires, let us see what is a fire triangle, or what are the causes, or what are the requirement for a fire to happen. Now here, pause for a second and give it a thought that what all can be the major components for a fire. So first one is, yes, fuel. So you require some fuel. It can be like diesel, it can be like wood, or any substance that catches fire. The second one is oxygen, which supports combustion. Now the third one is very important, because these two, like fuel and oxygen, will be always there. The third one is heat. It's the energy source that raises the material's temperature to its ignition value. So three components will be there for a fire to happen. And yes, again a fourth one, that is a chain reaction. So in case of a continuous fire, if any of these component is being not supplied or is being cut off, the fire will stop there only. Now coming to electrical fires, that what are electrical fires? Fires that caused by the electrical faults like short circuit or overload, etc., are called electrical fires. So mainly any fire due to the reason of electrical system is electrical fire. And here we have an eye-opening study or statistics given by National Crime Record Bureau, NCRB, and fire department reports that 25 to 30% of all the fires are due to electrical faults. So mainly here you can see 1/3 of the total fires are electrical fires, or we can say 1 out of every 3 fire is an electrical fire. So still we are not giving concern to the electrical system. Still we are not concerned about the safety of our electrical system, or proper norms and standards should be followed in our factory or in our industry. And in that also, 65% of the electrical fires are due to short circuits, and others are due to overloading, poor maintenance, and other factors. And now we'll see causes of electrical fires. And to make it little simple, I have divided into two groups, direct causes and indirect causes. So let us see direct causes. First one is short circuit, and we have already discussed that 65% of the total electrical fires are short circuit fires. And short circuit and overloading is itself a deep concept, so I'll give a dedicated video for both of them. So second one is overloading. And then the next direct cause is loose connections. So if our cable and the circuit breakers or cable and the equipment have loose connections, then it can cause fire. Next one is insulation failure. So our cables have insulation. You have seen that a PVC sheath over the conductor, so it gets failed, or it gets break in some part, so it is insulation failure. Next we have arcing faults. So this is some arc faults near circuit breaker. Next we have rodent and insects. So if rodent and insects directly gets into your electrical panel or cuts the cable or wires, then it can cause fire. And next we have dust and oil accumulation in electrical panels or electrical system. And second we have indirect causes. In indirect causes we have like improper earthing. So if we have improper earthing, so in case of any short circuit or overloading, the system will not get saved by the earthing system. Next one is choice of wrong protective devices, like your circuit breaker is highly overrated or highly underrated. Improper cable sizing, your cable size is not proper, and use of substandard equipments, or we can say if you are using low standard equipments or cables, it can cause fire. Now, coming to the hazard and prevention of electrical faults and fires. So, what can be the hazards due to electrical faults? So, first one is electric shock or risk of electrocution. So, we can get electrical shock or electrocution. Second one is fire in cables, conduits, and panels. And due to the fire, smoke can spread all around and can cause death also. And prevention of it are use of MCB, miniature circuit breaker, or RCCB, residual current circuit breakers. So these are the breakers, RCCB are the breakers which are used to detect electric leakages or earth leakage. And MCB, MCCB, ACB, these are used to break the circuit when any short circuit or overcurrent happens. Next one is proper earthing. You need to have a proper earthing system so that any short circuit or any high current can move through the low resistance path. Now, next one is very important, and you must go for a regular electrical safety audit, because in an audit, the auditor knows the electrical norms. He is a well qualified electrical engineer or a chartered electrical engineer with experience, that how a particular factory or office should be designed, and according to the load, what should be the capacity of your ratings of your cables, ratings of your circuit breakers. So he will go through all the details, all the factory, and will give you the necessary solutions and recommendations. And he will do the testing at your premises also. With that, he will conclude the report and give you the solution. Now, next one is avoid overloading and use proper wiring practices. So this one is for you, that you should not connect many circuits to a single MCB, a single circuit breaker, and you use proper wiring practice. So these are the preventions and hazards of electrical faults. Now, here are some of the examples I have taken from my electrical safety audit, where you can see a lot of mess of wires and no proper electrical designing or electrical norms are being followed. Here in the first picture, you can see a lot of cables are being connected without any circuit breaker. Second one, you can see that a lot of cables are messed up but circuit breakers are used. And in third one, you can see joints are there. So we will see such examples in our coming video. And in this video, I have just given you examples of areas where fire can happen, electrical fire can happen. So avoid having this mess at your factory, at your place. And so friends, we have seen a bad example. Now here you can see a good example where a panel with neat and clean circuit breakers, neat and clean area is being shown in the first picture, and in second picture a distribution box with neat and clean, well dressed circuit breakers are being shown there. And you can see neutral link is there, earth link is also there. And that is a good example for electrical system where there are less chances of an electrical fire to happen. So friends, this is it with this video, and see you soon in the next video. And please do comment how you like this video. Comment below your reviews, your queries, and your suggestions. So see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Jai Hind.